you might be thinking of converting your home from propane to natural gas. It's true that natural gas and propane have many similar benefits, like clean, affordable performance. But there are also a few things you should consider before deciding to make the switch. These tips can help you stay safe and be sure you're making the best choice for your family. First, confirm that all of your propane appliances are suitable for conversion to natural gas by referring to the manufacturer's instructions. Remember, converting an appliance could be unsafe and may void the warranty. Most importantly, have a professional do the conversion. Only a qualified professional has the training to install, inspect, service, convert, maintain, and repair your appliances. To ensure your family's safety, never modify or repair valves, regulators, connectors, controls, or other tank or appliance components yourself. You could create a gas leak or an appliance malfunction that could cause property damage or worse. Lastly, don't forget the extra costs associated with converting your home to natural gas, such as connection charges, meter fees, utility taxes, and other surcharges. Propane is a trusted fuel that meets your energy needs efficiently and keeps you comfortable year-round. To learn more, get in touch with your propane retailer.